Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news rising US interest rates are starting to be felt in economic signals. In America, fewer contracts were signed in July to buy previously owned homes, a sign that rising mortgage rates are starting to slow momentum in their housing market. Overnight, the Bank of England moved to boost lending to consumers and businesses by their largest banks by easing liquidity rules for those that meet capital targets. They will allow their main lenders to shrink required holdings in low-yielding, easy-to-sell securities, such as government bonds, once they hold capital reserves equivalent to 7% of their risk-weighted average assets. That is a very low threshold, and it says a lot that British banks need incentivising to get to even that level. The crisis in emerging market India is getting tougher. Its rupee sank by nearly 4% to a new low against the US dollar overnight, amid growing concerns about the health of the country's economy. Its currency has lost 20% in total so far this year. In late trade, gold is pulling back from a high of $1,430 an ounce. Oil has pulled back from a high of over $113 a barrel and is now below $110 a barrel. And the Dow has been rising this session after falling to 14,750 yesterday. Readers who use the excellent New York Times website will have noticed it has not been available overnight. That is because of a Syrian hack. But the hack has a local component. Melbourne IT provides domain service to the New York publisher and was the way the Syrians got at them. That makes the hack vulnerability very close to home. Locally, we'll be keeping an eye on the RBNZ release this afternoon that will show if the central bank intervened in currency markets in July. The New Zealand dollar starts today pretty much unchanged at 77.9 US cents, 87.1 Aussie cents, and the TWR is at 73.7. Just as the botulism scare had little impact on our currency's value, the news of the all clear has made little difference either. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.